Welcome you all to the video lecture on Control Systems Engineering. Today we are going to find out the unit step response and unit ramp response for the first order system, which is shown in the figure. So here the feedback is nothing but unity feedback. That is, a single line is given, which is nothing but you have a unity feedback. So for the unity feedback system, the transfer function C of s by R of s is given by G of s divided by 1 plus G of s. Why? Because h of s value is 1. If h of s is given, here we can write whatever the value of h of s, but here h of s is 1, so the transfer function is given by G of s by 1 plus G of s. So using that, you can write the transfer function C of s by R of s, which is nothing but G of s divided by 1 plus G of s. So here in this problem, the forward path gain, that is G of s, is given by 1 by s plus 2. So wherever we have G of s, we have to substitute 1 by s plus 2. So 1 by s plus 2 divided by 1 plus 1 by s plus 2. So just simplify your term. So numerator you have 1 by s plus 2, denominator the common LCM term is s plus 2. So when we take the common LCM as s plus 2, here I don't have any s plus 2 term, so just multiply this s plus 2 here. So 1 into s plus 2 is s plus 2, and here just already I have s plus 2, so just write it as plus 1. Okay. So the common LCM is s plus 2. Here I don't have any denominator term as s plus 2. So whatever the term you have, just multiply with 1. So 1 into s plus 2 is s plus 2, plus here the numerator term is plus 1. So once you have written like that, so here numerator term, this s plus 2 and this s plus 2 get cancelled. We have 1 by s plus 2 plus 1 is 3. So the transfer function is given by 1 by s plus 3. That is C of s by R of s equal to 1 by s plus 3. So now we need to find out the unit ramp response as well as the unit step response. Okay. So now your transfer function is nothing but C of s by R of s is equal to 1 by s plus 3. So here we need to find out unit step response and a unit ramp response. So first let us find what is unit step response. For unit step response, R of t is 1 and R of s is 1 by s. So therefore C of s is given by generally 1 by s plus 3 here into R of s. So wherever we have R of s, we need to write it as 1 by s. Okay. So the overall term is 1 by s into s plus 3 or s plus 3 into s. It is your wish. You can interchange your terms and write according to your own thought, right? And now apply the partial fraction. So here a by s plus b by s plus 3. Okay. So compare the left hand side and the right hand side. Here whatever the numerator term you have, write in the left hand side. So 1 equal to. So here the denominator term is s into s plus 3. Okay. So a by the term is s. Compare this term with the denominator term. Already s is there. Whichever the term which is not there here, that term you have to multiply with a. So a into s plus 3. Similarly, b term, the denominator you have to compare with this. Okay, already s plus 3 is there. Which term is not there, that you have to multiply with b. So b into s. So numerator term write in the left hand side, and according to that you just compare the denominator and multiply with a and b. So now we have to substitute s term such that any one of the term get cancelled. So let us substitute s equal to 0, as well as for this term, in order to cancel it, I can substitute s equal to minus 3. Okay. So substitute s equal to 0. Here it is 1. So when I substitute s equal to 0, this term get cancelled. Here I get 3a. So a equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, when I substitute s equal to minus 3, here it is 1. This term get cancelled. So, b into minus 3. So, b equal to minus 1 by 3. So, once you have determined, you can substitute in this equation. That is, C of s is already known that it is a by s plus b by s plus 3. So, I have determined a value and b value. Now, substitute in that. A value is 1 by 3 divided by s plus b value is minus 1 by 3 divided by s plus 3. So, C of s is 1 by 3s minus 1 by 3 divided by s plus 3. So, for this term, you just apply the inverse Laplace transformation. So, when I apply inverse Laplace transformation, C of s will become C of t. 1 by 3 is constant, you can keep as it is. So, we know Laplace inverse of 1 by s is 1 and the Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus a is e power minus at. So, using that term, so Laplace inverse of 1 by s is 1. Okay, so you can leave that term as 1 as it is. Minus 1 by 3. 1 by s plus 3 is nothing but e power minus 3t. Why? Because a is nothing but 3. Okay, so this is your step response, unit step response for the given problem. So, I can write C of t as just simple 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 e power minus 3t. It is your unit step response. So, once you have determined that, we have to next find out your unit ramp response. Okay. So, let us find out the unit ramp response. So, already we know that this is your C of s by R of s, which is given by 1 by s plus 3. So, similar to your unit step response, for unit ramp response, we have R of t, generally it is t, and R of s is Laplace transform of t is 1 by s square. Okay. So, using that, C of s, which is equal to R of s into 1 by s plus 3. So, wherever we have R of s, we have to replace it by 1 by s square. So, 1 by s square into s plus 3. So, now this is your C of s, for which I have to apply your partial fraction. Okay, why? Because I don't have directly the formula in order to apply your inverse Laplace transformation. So, let us apply the partial fraction. So, whenever I have repeated roots, right? So, first I have to write a by s. Next term, it is b by s square. Suppose if I have s cube, I have to write it as a by s plus b by s square plus c by s cube. And then the last term is c by s plus 3. So, now compare the left hand side. So, the left hand side numerator is 1. So, write that in the left hand side as it is. And then a term. So, the denominator of a is s. Already here one s is there. Okay. So, s square, from the s square term one s is over. Okay. So, remaining term it is a into s plus 3. Okay. Similarly, b. So, compare this term with the denominator. Okay, s square already it is there. So, no need to multiply s square here. Only s plus 3 term I have to multiply with b. Then, compare the denominator term with here. S plus 3 is already there for c, which is not there s square. So, multiply s square. Okay, so here s is already there. So, the only term which you have to multiply with a is s as well as s plus 3. Okay. So, similarly for all other terms we have determined. Now, we have to substitute your values. Okay. So, from this term I can know that I can substitute s equal to 0 such that I can cancel this term. Similarly, I can substitute s equal to minus 3. So, two terms you can easily substitute. One is s equal to 0, one is s equal to minus 3. So, when you substitute s equal to 0, 1 equal to this term get cancelled, only b is available. So, b value is 1 by 3. Next, substitute s equal to minus 3. 1 equal to this term get cancelled. Only c term is available. So minus 3 the whole square. So anyway, minus 3 the whole square is 9. So c value is 1 by 9. So no other substitution is possible. Either you can go for the comparison, coefficient of s square comparison, or you can substitute some other values. Okay. So let me substitute s equal to 1. Okay. So left hand side is 1. A into wherever I have s, I am just substituting it as 1 because other two values are already determined. So any one term you can substitute. It is not necessary you have to substitute s equal to 1. You can substitute s equal to 2, s equal to 3. It is your wish. Okay. So here it is 1 and here it is 1 plus 3. It is 4 plus b into 1 plus 3. It is 4 plus c into 1 square is 1. Okay. Already I have determined b value is 1 by 3, so it is 4 by 3, and then c value it is 1 by 9. Okay, so like this, once you have determined, again the common LCM here it is 9, so 1 equal to 9, 9 4s are 36, 36 a plus, and here 4 3s are 12, so 12 plus 1. Okay, so once you have determined that, you can cross multiply here. So 1 into 9, it is nothing but 9. Okay. So now 1 into 9 is 9, which is equal to 36a plus 13. Okay. So 9 minus 13 is nothing but minus 4, which is equal to 36a. So a equal to minus 4 by 36. So 9 4s are 36, which is equal to minus 1 by 9. Okay. So already I have determined b value is 1 by 3, c value is 1 by 9. So which I can substitute in this term. Okay. Okay. So a value I have determined it as minus 1 by 9. Okay. A value is minus 1 by 9. Minus 1 by 9. And then b value is 1 by 3 and 1 by 9 is c. By 3, 1 by 9. Okay. So you can substitute all these values and you can determine what is c of s. C of s is minus 1 by 9s plus 1 by 3 by s square plus 1 by 9 divided by s plus 3. And you know Laplace inverse of 1 by s is 1. Laplace inverse of 1 by s square is t. Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 3 is e power minus 3t. So using that you can apply the inverse Laplace transformation now. So c of t is minus 1 by 9. 1 by s is 1, so you can leave that, plus 1 by 3. 1 by s square is t plus 1 by 9. So 1 by s plus 3 is e power minus 3t. Okay. So this is your final unit ramp response. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.